Yeah, man. What time now? Anyway, blessed good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. This me a deal right now. Is it me I say? Yeah, man, you have to eat up your fruits. You get to me I say, get to you? Yeah. No doubt about that. You get to me I say? So right now, the good old Jamaican melon this, you know. Is it? Yeah, man. I'm a bust a piece right now and eat it. Eat it. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out now. Go and go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like say you have to pay for it. You just go up on your phone, go up on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. How you go now? Are they here? I think so.